Last night we had something, tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining the team. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's vlog. So today on a Saturday, I'm gonna do a mean Saturday vlog where I'm going to show you guys just how my Saturday look like. I'm gonna do some cleaning, make sure that I do some laundry and arrange my cabinets, or maybe probably arrange my wardrobe, and after that I will go and do a few or a little or a mini grocery shopping. And yeah, I think I'm expecting guests today, so I will show you guys how it will go. But for now, tune in with me. Let's clean the apartment. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my hair. I need to put this a bad boy. So yeah. Okay. Sorry guys, I'll be back. Okay, so for the glue I use the Ghost Bond glue. I got it from Shein. I mean, she's the best. It's really perfect. I mean, for me, it's summer and honestly I don't want to have a wig all week long because it's extremely hot. So I just put one layer because I need it to be, you know, easy to remove. But then if you put 2 layers, trust me, you go for like 2 weeks without your wig moving or anything like that. And I highly recommend it because I once bought something like this from AliExpress, but then it wasn't as good as this one. And if you want it, you can get it from Shein. So it's Ghost Bond with extra moisture control. You can get, I got it a long time ago, so I'm not a wig person. I don't do wigs all the time, but trust me, she is the best. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put something to melt the lace, then yeah. And I've got this lace melting spray, so I'm just going to put it on top of my lace. now guys, I'm done with my cleaning and now I'm preparing to go to the grocery store. So I'm gonna get a few stuff, you know, just try to fill up my fridge. And this is a little bit outfit check. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, this is the dress. I'm wearing a dress from Shein. I got this dress I think last year from Shein, and yeah, I got this here from one vendor from AliExpress. I think it was last year as well. I mean, like, I'm not really a curly wig person, but to be honest, this hair is so perfect. Even the texture, the quality, it's really nice and I really love it so much. And what I love about this hair is just, you know, you just take it and it's very easy to install, very perfect for summer. It's short, it's light. So that's it guys. So thank you so much. So I'll go with you guys to the mall. Probably I'll take you guys with me and we'll do a little bit of some groceries. Then yeah, probably I'll end the vlog in the evening after dinner. And now I think I want to make myself some coffee. I really feel like I need a coffee. I really need a pick-me-up. So before I go to the mall, I'm gonna make myself some coffee, then we will go. So see you later.
Nothing seems right.
I really need it.
Cause when you're gone, I lose my sight. It's harder at night. The good and strong can show my eyes. Do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream. Don't let go. I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone if you're not there. To ever wanna be, to ever wanna be, if you're not there. Nothing seems right. Cause when you're gone, I lose my sight. It's harder at night.
Okay guys, thank you so much for joining today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had a good time. So like I said, I wanted to go for grocery shopping but I couldn't make it, and I just had to improvise with what I had in the house. So yeah, that's it for today. And now I'm just preparing myself dinner and everything, and after cooking I'll probably go and sleep because I have visitors today. So yeah, So thank you so much for joining today's vlog. I'll see you next time. Bye.
All over your face.